Here's how you can add fillable fields in your Lumin documents. When a document containing form fields is open in the Lumin editor, upon clicking Fill and Sign under Tool Groups, Lumin will display a notification banner to guide you in adding the fillable fields. The form field detection feature is designed to recognize form fields within PDF documents. Click Add Fields. Review the fields that were added by the tool and then select Apply. If this prompt doesn't appear, in Tool Groups, click Fill and Sign, click the Form Builder tool, and then select AI Auto Detect. You can customize the properties of each fields in the right-hand side panel. Using the form builder, you can add other fields like checkbox, radio buttons, and signature fields as well. Once you're happy, review the fields that were added by the tool and that you've added, and then select Apply.